Alright, welcome back, guys. We did an unboxing video of these two Taurus 605s. As you can see here, it's got the polymer one, and we have the all metal. Both really good guns. Both shot well, both shot to point of aim. Believe it or not, the poly actually had a little bit better groupings than the all steel, and that could have been me. I could have been pulling to one side or the other, or just wasn't aiming as well. It was kind of cold and a little bit windy out today, so there's a lot of factors into that. But I did shoot this one better. We'll just say I shot the poly a little better. But the recoil on the poly is stout. This is crazy with full house 357s. This thing is insane. It's just a sting. It just stings your hand. It stings your right here, the webbing of your thumb and your finger. It gets it pretty good. I put about 10 rounds of 357 through this, and I put about 10 rounds. My bad. Put about 10 rounds of 357 through this one here, and they say they both shot good. Was no issues with either one of the guns. We also shot 38 special, and we shot 38 plus P. The 38 and 38 plus P was actually very pleasurable to shoot. I could shoot that. I could run 100 rounds through each gun on a range trip, and hands wouldn't hurt at all. But if I was to run 100 rounds through one of these, a 357, it'd be a different story. First round we got a 38 special plus P. Second round we got a 357 magnum. This should show you a difference in the recoil. Quite a big difference. Now we're going to try the 605 all metal 38 special plus P with a 357 magnum after that. All right. Yeah, these are going to hurt. I can already tell you this poly has a lot more felt recoil. I probably made a mistake by putting that short grip on it. I should have put the longer grip. It's kind of digging into my hand. Damn. We can take a look at the triggers on these. I've got snap caps in them. You see this is loaded up with the blue snap caps. This has the same thing as well. So I've been dry firing them because every time I get a new revolver I put snap caps in them, and I will dry fire them just to kind of work the internals up to smooth out the trigger and the hammer. So we'll do, there's no way, I got this Wheeler trigger pull gauge. It will not do a double action pull on this because it only goes up to 8 pounds. So we'll do a single action pull on this and we'll see how it does. It broke about 5.5 pounds. You see there on the gauge. We'll reset it. We'll do the same thing with the polymer one. Go ahead and that one broke about 4 3/4. You see there? It's kind of, I don't know if it's going to focus in on it or not. We'll do another one just to see if it's the same. We'll grab a hold of it there, and yep, that was 4.5. So the trigger's a little better, a little smoother on the polymer one as opposed to the all steel. But the double action trigger pull on these are pretty heavy. Yeah, it was right about 5 pounds. Try that one again. That's a little over 5 pounds. So the triggers are very comparable in pull weight. Yeah, so both guns would make very good pocket pistols or concealed carry. If me personally, if I was going to carry these in an urban environment, in a town, in a city for two-legged defense, I would probably carry 38 plus P or a reduced recoil 357. I'll reload my own, so I'd make them a little lighter. Especially with this, the 357 on this was pretty stout, so you really don't want your follow-up shots to be, taking a second and a half to get back on target, because when this thing comes up with 357s, you got to bring it back down, find your front sight, and go back into your business again. So you're going to put more rounds on a target with a 38 or a 38 plus P than you would with a 357. And we're going to do a longevity video on these. We're going to take these out. We're going to shoot them some more. I don't plan on putting thousands of rounds through either one of them, but we'll put a couple hundred rounds through them over the next few months, and we'll make a part 3 of this video and see how they're holding up, and check the trigger pull again, see if it's gotten any lighter with use. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to, and as always, thanks for watching, stay safe, and let's take back our Second Amendment.